Experiencing lag spikes in Valorant can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to improve your gaming experience. Follow this guide to help reduce lag and enhance your gameplay. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use bandwidth or system resources can contribute to lag. Check for downloads, streaming services, or other games that may be consuming resources. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower the graphics quality, resolution, and disable features like VSync and anti-aliasing. This can help reduce the load on your system and improve frame rates. Step 4. Update network drivers. Outdated network drivers can cause connectivity issues. Check for updates for your network data through the device manager on your computer. Keeping drivers up to date can enhance performance and reduce lag. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. Wired connections are generally more stable and provide lower latency compared to wireless connections, which can help minimize lag spikes. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your gaming experience in Valorant. Enjoy smoother gameplay and better performance.